A super easy Dollar Tree DIY that you could do for Easter or spring. So I have all these items from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to start out by taking these clothespins apart, and then I'm going to paint them orange. You don't got to paint the flat side because you're going to put those together. I took this bunny sign, it came in a pack of two, gave it one coat of spray paint, and then I kind of blotted it off so that it would have like a stain look. I took and put the carrots together. But I skipped this step. You're going to want to get something to put for their leaves at the top of the carrot and then glue those in the middle and then glue it together. Then I went on because it wouldn't line up right if I took the crate and put it directly on this. So I just put some Jenga blocks. You could put anything just to even out the bottom. And then I glued that together. And now it looks like this. I filled it with some paper, some Spanish sea moss, glued the cute little bunny sign on and put in the carrots, and this is how it turned out. It is so cute, so easy, and you can use this idea to do so many fun spring or Easter decor. Quick Dollar Tree DIY that you can do using items from the Dollar Tree. So I have this little crate here from the Dollar Tree, this little home like thing here. They have these in different prints and stuff too. And then I glued together three Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree. So I just want the height to match the crates. I want the house to be able to be shown. I did two sets of those just so it stands up. You're gonna want to wait till it glues and dries together nice and solid before you go ahead. You can stain it. I'm going to paint mine with black paint. You can just do like a distressing on this. I just fully covered mine. I took one of these signs from the Dollar Tree, the little labels. I wrote on it with a crayon so that it stayed on, but you can do a stencil. You can do so many different things with this. And then I tied a little piece of twine for a bow, glued both of those to the top of the crate. And then now I have my little hand washing station. You could also put a little plant in there, and it's just super easy.